How to change your name in Amazon Shopping. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can simply change the name. First of all, open the application. Now here on the bottom, you can see this tree line icon. Simply tap on it. Now on the top, you can see account. Tap on account. Now slowly scroll down. Here you'll be able to see login and security. Tap on login and security. Here on the first section, you can see name. Tap on edit. Now you can easily edit your name here. So simply edit the name that you want to change into. So here I'm keeping one. So after you do this, simply tap on save changes and it will take some time, and as you can see the name has been updated. So you're all set, and later this name will pop up everywhere. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.